Good morning. Welcome to class 4 mathematics. Today we are going to learn unit 4 division. Basic operations in mathematics. There are 4 basic operations in mathematics. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You have already learned addition, subtraction and multiplication in earlier lessons. Now you are going to learn the fourth important operation, that is division. Let us recall properties of division. The first property is a number divided by the same number is 1. For example, 45 divided by 45 is equal to 1. Suppose I have 45 chocolates in my hand. I want to distribute it equally for 45 children. Each one of you will get one chocolate. Next example, 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1. You all try to make 2 more examples by yourself. Second property is a number divided by 1 gives the same number. Example, 45 divided by 1 is equal to 45. I have 45 chocolates with me and I want to distribute it all to one child. So all 45 chocolates will be given to that child only. 33 divided by 1 is equal to 33. So try to make 2 more examples like this. The third property is 0 divided by a number is 0. Example, 0 divided by 45 is equal to 0. What does it mean? I don't have chocolates, means 0 chocolates. How can I distribute to 45 children? Yes, I can distribute only 0 to you, isn't it? So you will not get anything. So answer is 0. So 0 divided by 1 is also 0. So try to make 2 more examples. Now there is a note for you. Division by 0 is not possible. Example, 45 divided by 0 is equal to what? I have 45 chocolates with me. I want to distribute among 0 children. That means no children are there. Can I distribute it? No, I cannot do division here because no distribution is happening here. Isn't it? So no answer for this. Yes. So how can I check my answers? Yes. Use multiplication tables to check your answer. You know that for each division fact there is a multiplication fact in it. Let us study the concept of division. Mrs. Ria wants to distribute rupees 2000 equally among her 2 children. How much money will each one of them get? When things are distributed or shared equally, we do division. Rupees 2000 when divided by 2 is equal to rupees 1000 each. Can you see? Yes. So the answer in division is called quotient. Here what is the quotient? 1000. And here 2000 is the dividend and 2 is called the divisor and the remainder is 0. There is no remainder here. So 2000 divided by 2 gives 1000, means 1000 into 2 is what? 2000. So every division fact has a multiplication fact in it. Let us see how Mrs. Ria is grouping rupees 2486. Okay. So rupees 2486 is equal to 2000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 6. So first of all, what is 2000 divided by 2? It is 1000 each. Next she takes rupees 400 divided by 2, that is 200 each. Next comes rupees 80. 80 divided by 2 is rupees 40. So 40 into 2 groups. Yes. Now rupees 6 divided by 2 means rupees 3 each. So Mrs. Ria has distributed rupees 2486 into 2 groups. So how much amount in each group? Yes, we have to add them. So 1000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 3 is 1243. isn't it? So next you can see that how Ria is doing the same problem using long division. So every time this picturization is not possible, so we have to use long division method. So next I am going to show you how to use long division for the same number. Let us see how Mrs. Ria is doing long division in the previous case. She has rupees 2486 and she wants to divide it by 2. Yes, first of all we will take 2000. In 2000, how many 2's are there? Yes, only 1000. 1000 into 2 is 2000. But we have to write only 1 in the thousands place. So 1 2's are 2. Now subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now let us bring down the next digit, that is 4 or 400. In 400, how many 2's are there? You know that it is 200. So we will write 2 in hundreds place. 2 2's are 4. Subtract. What is the remainder? 0. Now let us bring down 8. How many 2's are in 8 or 80? You know that it is 40. So we will write 4 in tens place. 4 2's are 8. What is 8 minus 8? That is 0. Yes. Now bring down the last digit 6. How many 2's are in 6? There are 3. 3 2's are 6. What is 6 minus 6? Yes, 0. So division is over. So 1243 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Now, how to check your answer? Quotient into divisor plus remainder is dividend. Now you have to multiply 1243 by 2. You will get 2 3's are 6, 4 2's are 8, 2 2's are 4, 1 2's are 2. Isn't it? Now you have to add the remainder 0. So you will get final answer 2486. Isn't it? Same number as the dividend. So revise tables daily so that you can perform division very easily, isn't it? Here you are going to learn when to put 0 in the quotient during long division. Let us take an example. 4556 you want to divide by 7. Now let us take 4. Okay. Can you distribute 4 chocolates for 7 children? No. Division is not possible. So you have to put 0. Now we have to group it. 4 and 5 together, 45. In 45, how many 7's are there? You know that 6 7's are 42. So put 6 just above 5. Okay, 6 7's are 42. Now what is the remainder? That is 3. Isn't it? Yeah. So 3 is lesser than 7. Every time you have to check that. Remainder should be lesser than the divisor. Then you can proceed. Bring down the next number, that is 35. Now in 35, how many 7's are there? You know that 5 7's are 35. Now what is 35 minus 35? It is 0. Now you have to bring down next digit, that is 6. Can you distribute 6 chocolates to 7 students? No. So you have to put 0. They will get 0 only. So 0 7's are 0. What is 6 minus 0? That is 6. So what is remainder? 6. And what is quotient? 650. Okay. So when it is not possible to divide a number, write 0 in the quotient and bring down the next digit and continue division. And each time when you subtract, the remainder should be less than the divisor. Okay. So keep two things in your brain. Now you are learning how to divide by tens. Okay, very interesting. 6945 you have to divide by 10. So as I said earlier, take the first digit as 6. Can you divide 6 by 10? No, because 6 is smaller value. So you have to put 0 just above 6. Now we will regroup 69. In 69, how many tens are there? Yes, 6 tens are 60. Now you subtract. Yes, what is the remainder? 9. Now bring down the next number, that is 94. In 94, how many tens are there? 9 tens are 90. Subtract. 4 is the remainder. Now bring down the next digit. Now it is 45. In 45, how many tens are there? 4 tens are 40. And what is the remainder? Yes, 5. So 694 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder. So you can see this number in 6945. 694 is the same as quotient and the ones place is 5. 5 is the remainder. It is interesting? Yes. So let us see an example. If you divide 346 by 10, ones place is 6. What does it mean? Quotient is 34 and remainder is 6. Very easy, no need of long division. When you divide 8537 by 10, ones place is 7. That means 853 is the quotient and remainder is 7. Yes, so the rules are, when a number is divided by 10, the digit in the ones place is the remainder and the number formed by the remaining digits is the quotient. So please memorize this. Let us see very interesting and easy method of dividing by tens. First question, what is 40 divided by 10? Tens table is very easy, so you know that 4 tens are 40. So for that, easy method is you cut zeros from the end. So what is 4 divided by 1? That is 4. So we got the same answer, isn't it? Yes. So let us try the second one like that. We have zeros in the end. So cut zeros first. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 60 divided by 20 is 3. Next is 90 divided by 30. We have zeros in the end. So cut. So what is 9 divided by 3? Yes, 3 is the answer. Next we have 120 divided by 40. We have zeros in the end. So cut zeros. What is 12 divided by 4? 3. Very good. Next we have zeros in the end. 200, 1 0 is gone and 50, 1 0 is gone. So 20 divided by 5, that is 4. So 200 divided by 50 is 4. Next again we have zeros in the end. So cut 1 0 from here and 1 from here. So 30 divided by 6, that is 5. 5 6 are 30. So 300 divided by 60 is equal to 5. Again we have zeros in the end, but we have to cut only 1 0 all the time. So 100 divided by 2, that is 50. So 1000 divided by 20 is also same as 50. Is it interesting? Very easy, isn't it? So common error. What is the error children usually make here? Say 30 has 0 but 92 doesn't have 0 in the end. But usually children will cut like this. And they will write 9 divided by 3 as 3. Is it correct? No. So you should not cut like that. If there are zeros in both the numbers, then only you can cancel 1 zeros from both the numbers. Otherwise you cannot do this. So how will you do such question? You have to do long division. 92 divided by 30. So you have to take 9. Can you divide 9 by 30? No. 9 is smaller value. So put 0 in the quotient. Now take 92. In 92, how many 30s are there? So you can think of 3's table till 9. So 3. 3 30s are 90. When you subtract, you will get 2. Isn't it? So quotient is 3 and the remainder is 2. So this exercise 4B is related to all this. So you have to refer exercise 4B for all this. Okay. Now let us think of homework. You have to see page number 73. There are question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to do only 3 sums from each question A, B, C. And you take your own time and do. Okay, don't try to finish it in one day. And same way, exercise 4B also. There are few more questions, and take your own time and enjoy exploring division. All the best. Thank you, children.